Alright guys, welcome to NCL Tech again. In this video we're gonna talk about how to quantify. How to quantify means every day there will be a amount that you have to quantify. For example, you're in the level 1, I mean VIP 1 or VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 1 to 10. This is how you have to quantify every day, guys, every after 24 hours. Make sure to take note. Alright, let's move on. Okay, firstly, I have to close this first and close this first. Okay, you click on your account, and then when you click on your account, it will directly you. I have already, log into my account, so it direct me to my platform, my SCS platform. Right, guys. Okay, this is how you're gonna quantify. Make sure. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and make sure let's invest together, guys. Boom. Right, let's go to quantify. Yeah, click over here, quantify, and then you can see I have one start quantify, which means I can now quantify, guys. Right. Okay, just click on this. Okay, click on this. All right, just double click, guys. Double click. Done. Start quantify. You already use the guys quantitative benefit $2.18 USDT, guys. Deposit into basic wallet, which means already in your wallet, in your SCS AI Quantify wallet. Alright, thank you very much, guys. If you want to see your $2 just quantify now, you can move to me, just me, and then go up. As you guys can see, today's ending $2.18. My account was $17. Now it went up to $19.60. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and for more updates on every tech updates, and also SCS AI tutorials if you want more videos. Thank you so much.
Proudly brought to you by NCL Tech.